Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to solve this given equation, an algebraic equation, which is considered a math Olympiad question, which I considered not so hard Olympiad question. So here we have x plus x plus x plus x equals x times x times x. And so here, can we find the answer right away? One of the values of x by direct substitution. Can we solve it? Well, if we say put 1 as a value of x, this is 4x and this is 1. So 4 is not equal to 1, right? How about 2? You pick 2 as a value of x, so 2, 4, 6, 8. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, the same thing. So 2 is one of the answers. So what about the other two values of x? So then that's why we have to solve this nice equation. Alright, so let's start with simplifying both sides of our equation. So now the left hand side can be written as, how many x's do we see? 4, right? So that is 4x. Right hand side, x times x times x. So that's x cubed. So now, how do we solve this equation? Can we just cancel the x here and reduce this to x squared instead? So that will come up to be 4 is equal to x squared. But is this the right way to solve this equation? Well, if we go ahead and proceed solving for the value of x, we'll be having just, we have the x is equal to positive negative is square root of 4, right? So that is positive negative 2 as the value of x. But then by investigation, by the way, we missed one answer for the value of x, right? If you go back to our original equation, we can have a 0 also as the value of x, right? 0 here, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. So another thing that we found out, 0 is one of the values of x right there. And so by solving it this way, we're missing out one solution. That's the value of x is 0, right? So let's go ahead the other way around to solve this equation. And so let's start with this line. So we have 4x is equal to x cubed. So here we combine all the terms of the equation onto one side, right? So this becomes x cubed minus 4x equals 0. And here we can factor out x. So we have x times x squared minus 4 equals 0. Now we can see that factor of x can be equated to 0. That's one of the other answers, right? And here the other two comes out to be here, factor x squared minus 4 equals 0. So from here, we can now put the constant value of 4 to the right hand side and becomes positive 4 and proceed in taking the square root of the right hand side. So that'll be positive negative 2 again, right? But the other way around, the other way to do it is, if you notice, this is in the form of the difference of squares. Right? So this is x squared and 4 can be written as 2 squared, right? So here we can split this left hand side into factors, right? The difference of squares, so that is x, and then minus 2 and plus 2, right hand side 0. Here we can see that x minus 2 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 2, and the other factor equated to 0, x plus 2 equals 0. We have x is equal to negative 2. So we have positive 2, negative 2, and third value, x is equal to 0. We have three solutions to this equation. X is 0, x is positive 2, third one is negative 2. And so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next videos. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.